Revise what we have learned in the form of DPSP. DPSP, the constitution provisions for the DPSP is in part 4 of the Indian Constitution. These are the principles which provide social and economic principles. DPSP, please remember, social and economic principles. There are three types of principles: social, political and economic. DPSP provides the two principles. They are social and economic principles. Here. Article number 36. Article number 36 is the definition of state. Article number 36 is definition of state as given under Article number 12 of the Constitution. Article number 37 provides the nature of DPSP, non-justiciability of DPSP. What is the non-justiciability? If the government does not provide you, you cannot approach the court. That is Article number 37, non-justiciability nature of DPSP. Article number 38, state to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people. Article number 38 declares India as a welfare state. Article number 39, what is the article number 39 says? Prevention of concentration of wealth and equitable distribution of resources. Article number 39 capital A. What is article number 39 capital A says? Equal justice and free legal aid. Article number 40. What is the article number 40 says? Organization of village panchayats. Article number 41. Right to work, to education and to public assistance, and in case of unemployment, old age, sickness and disablement, etc. Article number 42, provision for just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief. Article number 43, provision for living wage. Please remember article number 43. The examiner will confuse you by giving living wage, minimum wage. Minimum wage का जिक्र नहीं है इसमें. The article number 43 talks about provision for living wage. Next, conditions of work, decent standard of life, full enjoyment of leisure, social and cultural opportunities for all workers, agricultural, industrial or otherwise, and provision for promotion of cottage industries. Article number 43 में क्या क्या दिया हुआ है? Living wage, decent standard of life, enjoyment of leisure, social and cultural opportunities for all workers, agriculture, industrial and otherwise, and provision for the promotion of cottage industries. कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज माने जो घर में बैठ के आप काम कर सकते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज इन रूरल एरियाज, स्पेसिफिकली रूरल एरियाज. नेक्स्ट यू हैव आर्टिकल नंबर 43 कैपिटल ए, वर्कर्स पार्टिसिपेशन इन मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. बाय दिस आर्टिकल यू हैव गॉट ट्रेड यूनियंस. हर इंडस्ट्री में ट्रेड यूनियन रहती है, तो उसका अथॉरिटी कहां से आई? आर्टिकल नंबर 43 कैपिटल ए. आर्टिकल नंबर 43 कैपिटल बी, it was added by 97th amendment, provides for promotion and cooperative societies by state. Article number 44, uniform civil code for the citizens. Article number 45, provision for early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. Article number 46, what is article number 46 says? Promotion of education and economic interest of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections. Article number 47, duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and standard of living and to improve public health. Article number 48, organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Article number 48 capital A, protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forest and wildlife. Article number 49, protection of monuments and places and objects of national importance. Article number 50, separation of judiciary from the executive. Article number 51, promotion of international peace and security. By this we complete the revision of